Hey everybody, Josh from Populi here, and I can practically taste tax season. Tastes like stew. It's 2025, and now it won't be long before you'll want to release 1098-Ts to your students. Here's a look at what you'll need to know about the forms for the 2024 tax year and how Populi can help you get the job done. First off, deadlines. You'll need to release 2024's 1098-Ts to your students by January 31st, 2025. And you'll need to file these forms with the IRS by February 28th. If you're e-filing, you have until March 31st to do that. Another note about e-filing. If you haven't already set your institution up to e-file, don't assume that you'll just be able to e-file when it comes time. It's our understanding that there is some lag in the setup time with the feds, so you want to make sure that's squared away in advance. Next, reporting requirements. These haven't changed this year. You're still reporting any qualified expenses, tuition fees, any required enrollment expenses paid for a student in the 2024 tax year. If you have any questions about the official IRS instructions, you can find answers at good old irs.gov. The link is in the description. And now, via the magic of technology and laziness, or as we like to argue, efficiency, here's past Josh for the rest of the video. Let's do a quick overview of the 1098-T process in Populi, then we'll get into the details. So to begin, Populi automatically generates preliminary 1098-Ts for students based on the information on their profiles. Your team checks and, if necessary, adjusts amounts, deals with error notifications, all that. You release the 1098-Ts to students, you choose how you'd like to file with the IRS, and then export the appropriate format from Populi. In order to manage most of this information, you'll need either the financial admin or financial aid role. The student billing role can access the 1098-T table, but can't edit information or release documents or anything like that. Populi automatically generates 1098-Ts for all your students who were charged for courses in 2024. You can find the report in Financial Aid, Reporting, 1098-T, where you can review, revise, and release the forms. When you land here, you can choose the tax year you're looking at. You'll want to confirm that you're looking at the correct year. The report shows you what Populi has automatically calculated for the 1098-T's various boxes based on the student billing and financial aid information that you've been entering throughout the previous year. If you don't see a particular student on the table, that's because, according to the information in your instance, Populi has determined that the student doesn't require a 1098-T. However, you can always tick the box for Include All Enrolled Students to pull up a list of students who were enrolled during the year and go ahead and release a 1098-T to any of them anyway. For any individual records, you get the 3 stacked dots here, which then gives you options to show source details, edit values, or preview. For a detailed look at the numbers we crunched for each box, choose Show Source Details. Behold, information from all relevant invoices and payments and other pertinent details presented for your reading pleasure. What if these numbers need revision? Maybe your school started with Populi partway through the year and you know that these figures are incomplete. Choose Edit Values and you can adjust the fields on that student's form. If a student's form has been revised, a plus sign will appear to let you know. Also, check the description below for a link to instructions for importing 1098-T data. Preview a student's form by clicking Preview. You'll see what all these numbers look like on the IRS form, beautifully arranged just so. Should you see an orange triangle, you'll need to trot on over to that student's profile, to the Info view, and enter their social security number. Without that, the form can't be submitted to the IRS. Depending on your institution's settings, you may need someone with an active academic admin role to do that. Once the numbers look good, you can release them to your students. You can do it all at once or a few at a time. Check next to the lucky students' names, then click Actions, then select Release. Review the information in the dialog. The college EIN there and the phone number are drawn from the entries made in your financial aid settings. And the checkbox certifies that you've done your darndest to make sure that these forms are as accurate and complete as possible. Finally, click Release to Students. Once you do that, the students will be able to find and download their forms on their profile financial dashboards. They'll also get an email. After forms have been released, you can make use of the various export actions to generate the forms in their various formats: Excel, CSV, PDFs of student forms in case you need to mail them out. This is also how you'll produce forms to file with the IRS and how you can generate a TXT file that you can upload to the IRS e-file system. One thing you can't do though is continue to edit values. If you try to edit a currently released form, you'll get a message politely telling you that you're barking up the wrong tree, dagnabbit. Remember that the actions, including the various export options, only work for the students whose names are checked at the time that you click the action. If you have any questions about Populi's 1098T features, check the description below for links to knowledge base articles about the reporting tools, how to import 1098T data into Populi, that's handy for schools with information in other systems, and what to do in Populi in case you need to file a corrected form. Now you're ready to deal with 1098Ts. Do you want to dig deeper and get more value out of Populi for your school? Join our Discord server. It's where Populi users can ask each other questions and capitalize on community knowledge. If you want to become a part of that community, go to Help in Populi and choose Join the User Community. That'll take you to a spot that has instructions about how you can get set up. I've been Josh for Populi and you've been great. Thanks for watching.